Hello everyone, let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a flying bird. Starting with the body of the bird, we will draw the beak and then the eyes, and then we are coloring it with black color and making some leaves. Next we are making drawing of a shark. First we are using empty bottle cap for drawing the circle, and then we will detail the face of the shark with eyes and the big teeth. After that we're gonna make the fins and the tail, and now you can color it with any color you want. Here we are using blue color sketch pen, but you can use any color you want, and then you can see it is looking so good and pretty. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a cat. Starting with the body of the cat, we will make the face and then the mouth, eyes and the ears, and then the big long tail. After that we are highlighting some effects, and now you can color it with any color you want. Thanks for watching.